Hey beauties, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this Beetles Polygel kit that I purchased off of Amazon. So if you want to see, please keep on watching. Happy holidays beauties, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl TiaBella, and like I said, I'm going to be unboxing this Beetles Polygel kit that I got off of Amazon. Now last week this was on special for 20% discount, so I paid $19.99, not the $24.99 that they currently have on Amazon UK. So this polygel kit comes with this application guide giving you the basic steps on how to use all of the products in this kit. And I have purchased from Beetles before, so I have seen these little cards that they have in their products. This polygel kit comes with a set of 4 polygels and some other products down to the bottom, but let's go ahead and take out the products here at the top. Okay, so we have here is the top gel. This is how the front looks, and this is how the back looks. And I'm really happy with this size because I have purchased, like I said, the polish kits, and the top gel is a smaller size. So the colors here are clear, white, light pink, and dark pink for these polygels. Super excited to actually finally be using these Beetles polygels because I have used polygels before, but from a different brand. And this is a 30-gram size. It looks small, so I'm hoping that it lasts really long. So let me just go ahead and take out the rest of these polygels, and we can see what else is inside the box. Okay, so next up we have this base gel, and I love this base gel. I've used this base gel several times in several of my videos, so I'm pretty sure you know that I love the brand Beetles. It's just a simply affordable brand, and the products work really well for me. So this is a 15 ml bottle. I think the other bottles I had were 7.5, so I'm very happy to have this one. Hopefully this one lasts me a little bit longer. This is also your little buffer. And then this is the sanding file, 100, 180. Oh, it's also washable as well, so that's cool. And then also in this kit, we have the spatula and the double-ended brush. So on one side, there is a brush so that you can form the polygel into the molds, and then the spatula so you can take it out of the tube and apply them into the molds. And then lastly, these are the polygel molds. I don't really use the molds. Seems to be 12 sizes here, and we seem to have 4 pieces. I particularly like to use polygel as my base to hold on my nail tips. So I'm not 100% sure that I will be using the molds, but it's good to have in case you want to just apply without using tips. So yeah, so that's it. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and put these stuff away, and then we're going to go ahead and swatch all of the colors of the polygels so that you can see them, and then put them under the UV light, and then you can make a decision whether you want to purchase this kit or not. Here's what I could tell you. These are very easy to come out of the tubes. I was concerned that they would probably freeze up, but this could just be because I just received the box. I do live in a colder climate, so we'll see how they go. But these are very easy to squeeze out, and apply to your nail forms. Oh, this is a really bright pink. This isn't a natural pink. This is a really pretty pink. It's really pretty. It's almost like cotton candy. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's the light pink, but we'll see how it looks after I put it under the UV lamp. So this is supposed to be a dark pink. Oh yes, so this is really a really dark pink. If you look at the color from the bottle, it doesn't look dark, does it? But up close, that's a really deep. That's a nice pink too. Yeah, it's almost bordering on a nude, a deep nude. So let's get these under the UV light now, and then let's see how they look. Okay, so this is how our polygels are looking. They're clear, still remains clear. I've had these under the UV light for about 2 minutes and they're still a bit sticky. So you want to make sure that you get these really hard before you move on to your next step. But overall, I feel satisfied. I know Beetles is a good brand. I've used their polishes and they are affordable. So if you're thinking of purchasing a polygel kit that's beginner friendly, I can definitely recommend getting this kit because you have all of your basic necessities in here. You got your top gel, you've got your base gel, and the application guide will tell you. Now it does says dip brush into slip solution, but a slip solution is actually not included in this kit. You would need to purchase a 70% isopropyl alcohol to use. I do find that alcohol sometimes make it a little bit cloudy, so just bear that in mind. But overall, I'm happy with the product. So thank you so much for joining me today with this unboxing. And if this video was helpful, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you have tried any of the Beetles or what your favorite brand of polygel is. And I will see you in my next video.